Hello. So yes, I'm wearing the same thing in my last video. I'm filming 2 videos right now because I got time to do it. So let's do another Poshmark Q&A. Before I start this video, I'm gonna say what I say, or what I've been saying in all my recent videos. If you guys want to join my channel, you can join. You can join the Rad Squad. Abilene just said you should join the Rad Squad. It is $2.99. What? Tell them. Say join. Yeah, tell them, baby. It is $2.99 a month, and you will get members only perks. The first perk being we're gonna do live streams. I'm actually doing my first live stream next week. It's gonna be so much fun. I will have more info down below if you're interested. Here we go. Love your videos. Thank you, Alyssa. I heard you mention you have a kids closet. I heard that Posh doesn't allow you to have 2 different closets. I want to start a second closet for my lower priced items, and am I able to do that if I use the same bank account address? How do you do it? I heard they can shut down both of your closets, and I don't want that to happen to me. So if you want to have 2 Poshmark closets, you have to contact Poshmark first and kind of get permission from them. But it's super easy to do. All I did was email them, and they're like, oh yeah, no problem. I've never heard of anyone getting denied having like a second closet. But yeah, that's what I did, and they were okay with it. But yes, it's true. If you like create 2 closets without asking them, they can shut them down. So if you want to create a second closet, just contact them before you do it, and you'll be good to go. Next question. Hey Vanessa, I have another question. Thank you for answering a couple of mine in the past videos and on Instagram. No problem, Maria. Okay, when someone makes you an offer, do you ever counter offer them a $2 to $3 difference? As a seller, I don't. I don't even counter offer over a $5 difference. Anything less than $5 in profit for me isn't worth losing a sale over, but I've had a couple of sellers do that to me recently on offers I send, and it really irks me. They were both $25 offers. One was on a bundle that was originally $29, 2 items, and another was on a purse that was listed for $30 and hadn't had a price decrease yet. Both sellers counter offered me $27. That's a $1.60 difference in profit. As a buyer, I'm also paying $7.11 for shipping and taxes. Am I the only one that thinks that kind of a counter offer is silly and gets annoyed? So I think it depends on the item. I've definitely countered back over like a couple dollars before, just to be like stingy, I guess. Or if the buyer was like countering back at the same price, then I would go down like $1. And then like maybe $2. But yeah, I definitely think it depends on the item. If it's an item that I've had for a while, I will not counter back. I think $5, I think that's a good general rule. But yeah, it definitely depends on the item. But I have done that before. And I agree, I do think it's annoying. I do. But there's some items where I need to get a certain price for. Otherwise, it's just not worth it to me. So again, it definitely depends on the item. You guys, while I'm looking for my other questions, I got an Instacart order this morning. I had ordered it last night, and I had ordered Bagel Bites. I don't know, I had a craving for Bagel Bites, which, you know, it's not the best for you. The bitch bought me plain bagels. I'm like, yeah, see, even my kids are perplexed. Like, Bagel Bites? Like, you know, the frozen, they're frozen, you know, Bagel Bites, like the pizza Bagel Bites, that's what I'm talking about. Sorry, I gotta be more specific. You know, they come in the frozen section, they're like little Bagel Bites with pizza on them. This bitch got me like a bag of, I don't know how many bagels are in there, 8? Like, big bagels, plain bagels. I'm like, so I contacted Instacart, and they credited me the money. But anyway, I just thought that was annoying. Okay. Next question. Hi, I really enjoy your videos. Thank you. I've learned so much from them. I was wondering if you ever relist items, and if you do, what do you do with the first listing? Do you just delete it, or do you mark it as not for sale? Or write relisted in a title so that if likers are interested, they know to check out your closet for the relisted listing. So I definitely just delete it. I don't leave the listing up because, like you said, that would, you know, that would confuse buyers, and they'd be like, whoa, you know, what's going on? Then you'd have to go through the extra work of telling them, oh, this is the active one. I've actually never heard of people doing that, of like leaving up old listings. So yeah, I think it's definitely just easier to, like, I save the pictures, I copy and paste the listing description and title, and then I just create a new one, and then delete the old listing once the new listing is up. My eyelash is falling off. I think that's a sign that we gotta go. The last thing I wanted to address in this video is Lowball Offers. So I get questions from you guys all the time talking about Lowball Offers, like, what do I do if somebody lowballs me, blah, 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 blah. I wanted to tell you guys this little piece of information. that I just recently came across, like last week I think it was. So Poshmark does have, and I think I talked about this, backing up, sorry, I talked about this in my Poshmark cons video. Poshmark does have a minimum offer. Like if you have something listed for like $50, somebody can't offer you $1 for it. And if you hear somebody say that, like that happened to them, they're lying. Flat out, they're lying. The minimum you can offer someone is 80% off the asking price. Can't offer more than that, or well, less than that. Like you can't offer 81% off. Okay, does that make sense? So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of information because I've seen people talk about lowballers and, oh, I wish there was a minimum offer that they had to give, and there is. It's 80%, that's the minimum. Which is still a lot off, like 80% off your asking price. Like that's a lot, that's a lot. And it's annoying to get an offer that's 80% off. But yeah, I just wanted to like clear the air on that and just let you guys know that. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, DM me on Instagram, tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I keep like switching my head back and forth. That's annoying. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.